So I started about 2.5 years back, sort of, and started this, what to do next in life. And one of the things actually went back to cable TV.
Right.
Cable TV was all. In fact, somebody just tweeted saying somebody is going to go back in time and start reinventing cable, because cable was so convenient, right? You had a small dabba TV at home. There was one guy who came with a wire and said everything आपको मिलेगा इसमें, right? एक वायर में 200-250 रुपया दो, सब channel, सब content, and one of the things that I say that movie channels, you will have 5 movie channels stacked up in your cable TV. Did you ever watch a channel? No, you watched a movie. You used to go and say, ये मेरे को आज movie देखने का मन कर रहा है. I will now go pick the channels. Okay, no, this is the movie that I want. You never watched the channel. And I think that's how the genesis of Streambox started. And one of the things that today, do you order food from Swiggy or Zomato?
My favorite thing is to go on Swiggy or Zomato in the night at about 12 o'clock and then go through everything and order nothing.
Wow. I will tell you about watching a similar thing. But one thing that if you notice, that irrespective of which app you are on, almost all restaurants are available. How many times do you, maybe 3-4 restaurants which are not there or exclusive to Zomato or exclusive to Swiggy, but everything is available.
Yeah.
Right? Unfortunately, in content, that's not happening. We've got this flurry of apps, and everybody thinks that their content is the best. Don't subscribe to anything else. But that's not what I felt. It was difficult for me as a consumer to face, oh shit, मेरे को ये subscription नहीं है, ये नहीं है, ये है. This is of this on how to keep it simple.
Yeah.
Can I build a platform which makes everything simple? Right? Let me ask people here. Oh, I'm sure there'll be 6 hours a day. Oh, there is something. Right?
But he's going to pretend it's his work, but
that's okay. Whatever. If you get, right? But look at what smartphone has done. Even some people are recording it on their smart device. So I started thinking, when this is what it is, why can't this go to a bigger screen?
Absolutely.
Why do we call it a smart TV? Why can't it be the smartest gadget in your house? And that's the other genesis of where Streambox Media came in. Let me throw some numbers for everybody so that they get some relevance on where we are. We have, of course, 1.4 billion population. There are 320 million homes. But there are 200 million TV homes which own TV today in this country. How many connected TVs? Last one, only 50. So the penetration is only about 25%. That's a 75% scope to grow, right? Thanks to the telecom companies in the recent past, we have 950 million internet users, both broadband and mobile internet. How many people subscribe to subscription services? 90. That's about 10%. Obviously, there is something which is not okay. Pricing, convenience, easy to use, everything is a struggle. That's where Streambox comes in. So our immediate opportunity, if you ask me, is close to 100 million. Right? That's the size of the market in the next 2 to 3 years that connected TV will grow to. So straight 2x.
So basically, you're one of the few people who's like more population should happen, so it helps Streambox Media.
I am okay with that if people, as long as the same house, more kids are born, I don't need to add households.
Okay. But this is a fantastic journey. Would love to, I'm sure.
Actually, Nikhil doesn't need any introduction, so I'm not going to waste time. Nikhil is Stride Ventures. But I think my bigger story is when I met Micromax and Rahul last year, and we started talking about this concept. So let me not.
There's a YouTuber called Rahul Sharma. There's a very talented Santoor player called Rahul Sharma. Have you ever been confused for the other Rahul Sharmas?
It happened in Mumbai only. The real story is I came down at the airport. The car came and picked me up, and the car driver, while I was going to some place, पूरे रास्ते वो क्रिकेट की बात करता था. तो बीच में बात कर बोला, सर जहीर खान अपने गांव का ही सर, ये भी अपने गांव के पास ही रहता है. तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्रिकेट की बातें कर रहा है और कहाँ की बात कर रहा है. जहीर भी अपने गांव का है सारा का सारा. जब उतरा वहां पे ना, तो कह रहा सर ऑटोग्राफ प्लीज. तब मैं समझ गया कौन से राहुल शर्मा की बात. मैंने भी दी दिया. मैंने कहा चल यार, सब क्यों डिसअपॉइंट करूंगी, कोई और था. सो बट यस, इट हैपेंस. So but it happens like almost every day.
Yeah. Yeah, let's.
And then Anuj came up, with this idea that this is what we are doing in terms of content, and this is how we're going to do it. And I was thinking of the same thing for the last 4 years, but never had an opportunity or never had a fantastic team what Anuj has. So everything was just like when he was explaining to me, it was like deja vu. So मैंने कहा यार ये तो आदमी बिल्कुल exactly same ही सोच रहा है. And that's how we just came together and said, okay, why don't we create an operating system not only for the India, for the world, and that's how we started the whole journey. So basically, the problem statement was how do you navigate, how do you find the content, and if you see the whole ecosystem right now is very very fragmented, right? When I say fragmented means TV आप अलग जगह से खरीदो, उसके बाद में डिश एंटीना लगाना है या केबल लगाना है वो सेपरेटली आता है, then you buy all different contents, all different apps, right? And then उसको combine करके then you whatever. So we said, instead of having this whole fragmented experience,